Google's Pixel 9a was expected to be available for pre-order, but an unexpected issue has caused a delay. The phone was officially revealed on March 19th, and under normal circumstances, pre-orders would have begun the same day. However, Google has now pushed the release to April, citing a component quality issue affecting a small number of units. While the company hasn't provided details on the exact problem, leaks suggest overheating might be the reason behind the delay. A well-known leaker, TechOnTG, recently posted on X that a high-profile smartphone was suddenly pulled from reviewers due to heating issues, especially around the camera. While the post didn't mention the Pixel 9a directly, it was clear that Google's device was being referenced. To make the hint even clearer, a leaker added, "Don't Google it," subtly pointing toward the brand. The leak also claims that Google is working on a software update to resolve these overheating concerns before launching the phone in April. Despite the delay, the Pixel 9a has already been spotted in some markets, including Dubai, before its official release. YouTuber Sahil Kurol managed to get an early unit and ran benchmark tests that revealed the phone was throttling at 61% of its peak performance, which could indicate overheating. If these reports are accurate, it makes sense that Google is taking extra time to ensure the issue is resolved before the official launch. Even with this unexpected setback, the Pixel 9 remains a highly anticipated mid-range smartphone. It keeps the same $499 starting price as its predecessor, while offering some notable improvements. The phone features a 6.3-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1080 2424 pixels and a 120Hz refresh rate. This should provide a smoother and more responsive experience, making scrolling and animations feel more fluid. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 runs on Google's 4nm Tensor G4 chipset, paired with 8GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage. This combination is expected to deliver solid performance for everyday use, gaming, and multitasking. However, if overheating is a real issue, it could impact the overall efficiency of the device. In terms of cameras, the Pixel 9a features a 48-megapixel main camera and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Google's Pixel series has a strong reputation for computational photography, and this phone is expected to continue that legacy with features like night sight, super res zoom, and advanced HDR. On the front, there's a 13-megapixel camera for selfies and video calls. One of the biggest upgrades in this model is the battery. The Pixel 9a is equipped with a 5100 mAh battery, which is expected to offer excellent battery life. If Google optimizes its software well, this could be one of the best performing batteries in the Pixel A series lineup. However, if overheating remains an issue, battery efficiency could take a hit, which would be a major concern for users. All of the delay is disappointing for those looking forward to the Pixel 9a. It could ultimately be a good decision if it allows Google to address potential problems before launch. A smooth and reliable experience is crucial for any smartphone, and if there are overheating issues, fixing them now is far better than dealing with customer complaints later. What are your thoughts on this delay? Are you still excited about the Pixel 9a, or has this news changed your mind? Let me know in the comments. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.